Hey everyone! In today's video, I want to take a break from trading and financial tools and talk about something else that's just as exciting in the Web3 space, crypto gaming. Lately, I've been closely following the Harvest AI ecosystem. They focus on building and launching blockchain-based games. And just recently, their team announced the release of their very first PvP game, and I thought it'd be fun to check it out together. The game is called Bitbull, and it's actually the first play-to-earn project in their ecosystem. It gives us a chance to earn rewards by taking part in PvP battles and other in-game activities. The visual style of Bitbull throws you into a ranch-themed world with tons of unique features. And it's not just about PvP. The game also offers staking, lottery draws, and a referral program where you can invite your friends to join. What I really liked is that the team focused a lot on transparency. Every part of the game is tracked through smart contracts, so you can be sure the gameplay and rewards are fair. The mechanics are simple and easy to follow. Another nice touch, even if you don't win a PvP battle, you still receive a reward, so you're never walking away empty-handed. And speaking of rewards, there are actually quite a few. Besides the standard payout to the winners, you also have a shot at getting special prizes like the Alpha Bull or even the Bull Throne, which is drawn from the game's overall prize pool. But let's take it step by step. First, let's go to the official Bitbull website and walk through the mechanics together. You'll find the link in the description below this video. Once you're on the main page, you'll notice the interface is really clean and user-friendly, so it's super easy to figure things out. In the bottom right corner, there's a play button. That's your gateway to the PvP arena. Now let's talk about how the PvP system works. To enter a match, you need to buy a ticket for $1 and make an initial deposit of $100. Each arena includes 18 players and the winners are chosen randomly. Those winners receive double their deposit back as a reward. As for the players who don't win, they still get a partial reward. They receive a refund along with 3% of the total prize pool as a bonus, plus the cost of the ticket. And keep in mind, there's a limit of 12 rounds per day, so the matches aren't endless. Rounds run on a fixed schedule. The first 6 start at 4 in the morning, and each one lasts about 10 minutes. The next 6 rounds begin at 12 noon and also run for 10 minutes. So if you don't want to miss out, I recommend setting a reminder or alarm to be ready to join in at the right time. Now let's go over how to actually get started. First, you'll need 2 in-game tokens, BitBTC and BTH. BitBTC is used to buy tickets, while BTH is used to cover transaction fees. The easiest way to get both tokens is through the Mono AI wallet since they're already integrated there. I've included a link to that wallet in the description too. Once you've made your purchase in Mono AI, go to the Web3 section and transfer the tokens to your wallet balance. Then open the dApps panel and search for Bitbull. Now you just need to connect your wallet. It doesn't have to be Mono AI. You can also use Trust Wallet, MetaMask, or whatever works best for you. Once your wallet is connected, click on your token balance and select Deposit. Enter the amount you want to transfer and confirm the transaction in your wallet. Just a quick reminder, to join a game, you'll need a total of $101, which covers your ticket and your deposit. After that, go to the ticket balance section and choose how many tickets you want to buy. At this point, you're all set and ready to go. You can click play again and book your spot in one of the upcoming matches. Pick the time that works best for you and select an open tournament. Once you've reserved your spot, the match will be highlighted in green, letting you know you're in. Now, all that's left is to wait for the round to start. The tournament itself is super quick. It works like a roulette spin, randomly selecting the winners and awarding the prizes. Once the roulette begins, just watch the results roll in. You'll immediately see who won, and the rewards will be sent out automatically in BTH tokens. You can even stake those tokens right away. Just click on your BTH balance, choose the amount you want to stake, and you're good to go. There's also a lottery feature with special boxes. Inside, you might find tickets, tokens, or crystals. As a welcome bonus, you'll get 4 free boxes to open right from the start. So you might get lucky early on and not even need to buy a ticket. That's why I recommend opening the boxes first. If you want even more boxes, you can invite friends to join. Just click the invite button and you'll see the referral program panel. From there, you can copy your referral link and track how many friends have joined the game. For every new player you bring in, you'll receive additional boxes, and inside those, you might find even bigger prizes. If you want to explore the game even deeper, I suggest diving in and testing out all the features yourself. Again, All the links you need are in the description, so check them out and jump into some PvP action. That's all from me for now. If you enjoyed this breakdown and want to see more content like this on Web3 gaming and play-to-earn projects, make sure to give this video a like and subscribe to the channel. And if you've got questions about Bitbull or already started playing, drop a comment below. I'd love to hear from you. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye for now.